enjoyed your speech. I thought that you spent a lot of time crafting this speech, and it showed in terms of how you presented it. First of all, I want to commend you for your ability to project in the room. You have a presence over here. You own it, the stage. You grab it. You don't show any gestures that say, I don't want to be here. I'm afraid to be here. You are here, and I commend you for that. The objectives of this speech were to inject rhetorical devices. Well, your title certainly did that. Friends are like plants. What I would have loved to have seen, however, is more rhetorical devices throughout your speech, and to really enhance and to meet the requirements, the objectives of that speech. That would have given your speech more depth and more texture that we as an audience could grab onto, because you're keeping that objective in mind as you're giving the speech, which meets the objectives of speech number 4, how to say it. The other thing I want to comment on is your use of the word yo. I know it's prevalent today, but one of the things that the objectives mentioned was not to use jargon, and that to me reflects jargon. And if you perhaps used another word to do that, it would have been more, it would meet the requirements of the speech. One thing I especially liked about your speech is you took us on a journey with the flower and friendship. You had that theme going counterpoint in terms of the development of the friendship, and using the metaphor of a plant growing, being nurtured, being trimmed, being nourished along the way, which is like a friendship. Especially the part that really grabbed me was the part where you talked about trimming. And that's an important thing to do. People love to have friends in their lives. People love to have people that are important to them. But sometimes you've got to trim, you've got to get rid of those weeds, that excess, that aren't necessary, that aren't nurturing that friendship. And you described that really well when you talked about the yoga instructor and this other person you met. You had a common bond, was the language of the German language. And I thought that was really well done. But I would have loved to have seen you expand on that, to elaborate on that, to extend that, to talk about what is it about that particular person and that particular person that made you gravitate to him or her. That would have helped us create that image about how you cipher, how you define friendship, and what the ingredients are of those friendships that made you hold on to them for that length of time. You did a really good job. You have a great presence. You took us on a journey. You were organized, and I loved your speech. Madam Master